Hello, Reef Finance holders. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So, guys, after a long time, once again, I'm talking about a Reef Finance update. In this video, I'm talking about the next move of Reef Finance, that what's coming soon, and Reef Finance and what's going on. Let me show you guys, and let's start the video, guys. But please, guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of SLP Reef Finance is about 0.02022 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Reef Finance. And guys, furthermore, if we talk about the changes update of Reef, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur and the Reef is completely going into loss very badly. The price of Reef Finance jumps, and I think that's very bad news for all of you, because the price is completely going in the low. So that's not a good for all of you guys, especially for Reef Finance holders. But a lot of people, a lot of holders of Reef Finance decide to sell, and I think, guys, that selling is not a solution of this loss, guys. If you want to save yourself from loss, so I suggest, guys, hold. If you hold, so possibilities that in the future, in the upcoming next week, the price of Reef will pump and you will be safe from loss, guys. So that's the way to save yourself from loss, guys. Anyways, guys, what you think about Reef Finance? What's your opinion? Your opinion is also very important for us, and especially for new holders. So please share your opinion and prediction in the comment box, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more update and news videos.